Good morning. We're over here in Rosemont off of 519, and it is a beautiful sunrise. And there's a covered bridge. Yeah, he's really cool. Good morning, guys. Hello. Yeah, look at that. Wow. They're really pretty. Good morning.
Hey, buddy.
How are you today? Is everybody having a good day?
If he starts putting his paw down, I know.
Uh-oh, if he starts stomping, we better run for the hills. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah. Okay. Nah, he's like, be on your way. Bye, guys. All right, we found the trailhead.
Park right here, yep.
Yeah?
You can park right here.
Here we are.
Let's see what it says. Yep, there's a little trail right here.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
All right, well, here we are. We reached the trailhead. There's the creek down here. We're off of Pine Hill Road. This is nice. Let me see the trailhead over here. Let's see what it says.
Oh, my cell phone.
Okay. It's a little chilly, but it's not bad. Okay, let me see. Can I pronounce that? Wickecheoke Creek Preserve? Wow. Really hard to see. All right, well, this is the trail, and there's the creek, and here we go. Okay, we are on the red trail. There's a red blaze. And it's a chilly morning, but it's supposed to go up to the 50s, so it will warm up. Let me just turn this around so you can see where we're at. Okay,
Wow,
here come the
pretty.
girls.
Pretty. Looks like word used to go to the building. It might do that.
And we're just going to keep going forward. So we're right on the side of the creek over here. through the rocks like that. So girls, be careful over here.
Yeah. Go up higher.
Mm-hmm. There they come. Oh, you okay?
I'm good, yep.
All right.
Yeah.
It's kind of steep.
Like this?
Yeah, see, because we are really, we're on a hill. It's a little bit slippery because it rained yesterday, so it's a little bit of mud. And we're right on the edge over here, so there we are. This is really nice.
If it was any higher, I wouldn't be doing this.
So there's the tree line up there. So here we are down by the creek, and we decided to take this trail down here to get back onto the other trail so that we could avoid climbing over a log. So anyway, it's just beautiful down here. This creek is nice. It's a beautiful morning. Here we go. You ready, girls?
Yep. Ready.
Let's go. Okay, so the trail just continues to go straight up. I guess we could have went that way, but at least we were able to get down by the creek.
Easier. Because we didn't have to walk on that slant.
Okay, so over here on the red trail it says trail end, scenic view ahead. So I guess that was a real short hike, but it was beautiful. So let's just go down over this way. Definitely well worth it though. There's a lot of other places we're going to explore. Yeah, that's really nice. This is... Isn't it nice? Go around. That's what I'm trying to think about, going around the tree. We've got a bunch of leaves over here, so it's a little bit slippery. Let me see if I can do it. These rocks are loose too. And some of the rocks are loose, so be careful.
You can go this way?
Go over there, closer over there where it's more like steps, but it's all wet and muddy.
Yeah.
So if you do that,
Yeah, I know.
another one though.
You close it down, I know. and
All right, so we're on our way back.
obviously something.
It was a nice little
Maybe
find,
Harold did something with it.
and we're on to our next adventure.
What do you think of when I see something like that?
We're actually just exploring northwest Jersey today and seeing what kind of trails and different things we can come up with. Yeah, a little bit. Right over here on the other side of the road is still the red blaze, so this trail does definitely go a lot further.
Just go sideways. Yeah. This is the pink trail. Careful, you may want to grab on. Go the other way. Go. You want to go down here? Yeah, go down this way. But that's the thing.
You can hear the woodpecker.
Did you get? Yeah, see your sled. I just had to put my hands up for balance. Right here. You see?
See straight over there, you got two markers. This
Yeah.
is this tree. Fell right on the path right over
Does it
here.
look like
so
we can't get underneath it? Well, we can, but we don't know where it
yeah,
goes,
we're gonna
so.
head out somewhere
Okay,
else.
cool.
But this is a nice trail. I mean, you can continue on, but what's that?
There's bones all over here.
Oh yeah, bones. Look at that.
there. These two over here. Look. Oh,
Okay.
it goes way over
Well,
there.
somebody had to eat. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
A lot of bones. Probably coyote. All right, well, there you have it. All right, we're going to head back then. But it does extend to the other side. But we have a lot more things we want to do, so we're just going to continue on. Okay, we're over here by the Cushetunk Mountain Nature Preserve. We're going to check this out. Okay. Well, somebody left their bike over there. Not sure. Maybe they're bike camping.
Hopefully your boyfriend didn't go after them.
Okay.
Oh, they're really screaming.
We're going up the mountain.
Woohoo! Yes, we are. Yeah, we won't go too far. I don't know how much longer we go up the hill.
Yeah, just think we have to go back down it after this.
Well,
Although that
down
might be a
was
little bit easier.
Wow. You don't realize you're going up until you start doing it.
Yeah. I'll tell you when we're taking a break.
It's a high hill.
15 minutes is like the equivalent until we were out either a mile to a half mile.
And it's still not up. It's going up. Breathing heavy.
Taking a break.
Catching our breath. Yeah, it opens my lungs.
You didn't?
I'm sorry I didn't turn around and leave the parking lot.
Oh my gosh.
We're gonna sleep well tonight.
Oh yeah.
Anybody have muscle?
Did we make it out? No. Run into a bear.
God help
Please
us.
protect us.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. I can do it.
I can do it.
You did it. Roll downhill.
Here they come. I think it levels out a little bit back up this way.
My brother.
Hey?
I'm thinking.
Would he do it? Would he do
I'm gonna go check this place out up over here. Yeah, it's not too bad. Here they come.
We'll take another 50 more feet to go. I feel like I'm ready to break a sweat.
Okay, we're almost on the ridge over there. Thought we saw somebody up there.
I hear him.
Yep, we did.
Do you hear a dog?
Here they come. Okay. So we just asked these two young guys.
Think that you're still out here.
That's right. Yeah, I remember that.
You guys are in the right place right now.
That's for sure. All right, here we go. We're almost there. Ooh.
Nice people on the
Yeah. Especially in the north part.
Yeah, we're coming up there. A little bit more, we climb the mountain.
big spotted. This is gonna be hard, yeah, this part.
We'll take a break for a few seconds. I think I'm gonna go a little further. Climb up on that ridge, I'll let you know. All right?
Okay.
Okay. All right, right up over here. Yep, I'm coming up to it. I see it. We're almost there. That's the worst part of it, right down where you guys are. Woo! I reached the top, level ground, girls. Oh yeah. We're gonna get some nice views from up here. Oh boy. That is pretty. Round Valley Reservoir. I'm waiting for the girls to come. Here they come. All right, it's level ground. You reached the top. I know. Okay, so right behind us is the Round Valley Reservoir. And it is beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go back down.
To say they were going to do.
It was nice.
Yeah, it is. You
We're-
are. You're not even out of breath.
We're almost there.
And you're at a steady pace. What is wrong?
I'm used to it.
Thank God for
Yeah, she's
God
used to
bless
it.
you.
Yeah. God bless her with the love of nature. Because look, think about the times we see her going by herself.
Yeah, that's right.
I would never do this by myself.
I would never do this by myself. I'm never doing a few or two.
Right.
You know, stuff that doesn't.
You know, I think she's got the aura that if she did see a bear or did see a Bigfoot, they just may pass her by. Really. Because she's got such a good aura about her.
They'll look at me and go, ooh, once.
They'll look at me and go, hey, meatball. An Italian meatball.
Oh my gosh.
Woohoo! Hey, we did it!
Yay. All right, let's go do some more. Woo! Yeah, well, we are in beer country. And I don't have anything for self-defense on me because we kind of just...
I have mace.
Okay, well, that's
I'm back.
somewhat good, but...
Maybe he'll want that. And are you videotaping this to let everybody know, just in case we get eaten, that where we're at?
Yes!
Cushetunk Mountain, and just so you guys can come get our skeleton.
Beer
We're
country.
gonna sing.
We'll be coming around the mountain. The mountain when she comes. Coming around the mountain when she comes.
We'll be coming around.
Sing it, Kim.
We'll be
Coming around that mountain. Be coming around that mountain when she comes.
We'll be riding 6x horses when she comes. We'll be riding 6x horses when she comes. We'll be riding 6x horses. We'll be riding 6x horses.
All right. Here we are. You can also walk the power lines if you want to, but yeah. Here comes the train. Here she comes. All right. Woo! The Velodrome of Madison Square Garden in New York City was reconstructed here in 1932. Its steeply banked sides provided a racing venue to local cyclists until its wood fell apart from exposure. And it was located inside here. Okay, we're in the Solitude. The Patriots and prison loyalists, Pennsylvania Governor John Penn and Crown Supreme Court Justice Benjamin Chew here during the Revolutionary War. They named the place Solitude. And here we go. Let's go. It's the Solitude House. Okay, here we go.
Oh gosh, I'm not gonna turn around.
You're good. You're good.
We are at the Solitude House, and let's see what this is. It's going to show right here. From stable to annex. So I guess that's what this is over here. This building. Ooh. Here's the back of it. Just going to walk around and then I'm going to show you the other part of the house. And this over there, there's a waterfall over there. Let me go by the house. Okay. Look at that porch. It's pretty neat. So, looks like a kitchen. There's the fireplace. Let me go around the other way. You can see there's some repairs in progress. That's about to cave down. This is the driveway to get up to it. So you just go up over here. The Taylor Steelworkers Historical Greenway. Look at this porch. Look at those windows. They are really nice. There's a camera up over there. There's an old picture of it right here. That door is pretty neat. Looks like there's a picture over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got to be of the area, the place. All right, let me go down this way. What you got there, Kim? All right, you can hear the water down there. All right, hold on. Oh.
A 7-mile trail.
Okay. So there are trails back here, right? I remember the water we went down in the wintertime is over there. That's where that little waterfall is. Do you want to go down by that waterfall?
Yeah, why not?
All right, we were here in the winter. Maybe, what, 2 years ago? Something like that.
So, yeah.
Yeah, it was a while. So, well, yeah, we'll take you down over there. Blue trail markers. And maybe
We had more of a clear, I remember more of a clear path. We didn't cut through that.
no, we didn't, because we were up over there. So this is probably taking us up over there by the parking lot.
We could do that, or we could just drive up there.
Yeah, we could.
Yeah, probably.
Let's just see, because I don't think. Yeah, I think you can go through this way and then take a left up
Yeah, we
by the
probably
waterfall.
parked
Oh, right up there, yeah.
Yeah, that's all. All right, let's go.
Boy, I can smell the peppermint.
So here's the trail that you can take up right up by the waterfall, which we're going to go to. There's the house. There you go. Right over there is a little waterfall. Do some fishing down there. There's the grounds. I'm going to take you right down over here by this creek over here. Okay, there's the waterfall. It is really pretty. Let's go see it. There it is. Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! That is so pretty. That's what I just ran down. Oh, wow. Here they come. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so here I go. So we came across this old house as we were driving down this road. And I'll read you the marker in front. It's a really old place. Let me get down over here. Christopher Voigt House. Built by Johannes Christoffel Voigt in 1759, the house features unique aspects of Germanic construction. Voigt was the active loyalist leader in his area during the Revolution. So this was his house. Isn't that neat? Let me go to the front. Let me back up a little bit so you can see the front of it. 1759 Voigt House, a Revolutionary War loyalist homestead, saved the Serpent, 1759voighthouse.org. It's pretty neat. There's your driveway right here. Look at that. Up a little bit. Wow, look at this. I hope they restore this. That would be really neat. The stone. $17.59. Of course, that highway wasn't there. A little bit messy back here. You can see the stone under there. That's the original. It's pretty neat.
So you have the bell. You see the bell?
Yeah.
Did you see the well?
Hold on. I just focused on the house. I'm sure there is a well. Let me see. Yeah, there had to be something there.
Right there.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Spring house. Pretty neat. Yeah, you can. There it is. Right there. A little bit hard, you're getting the reflection of the camera, but yeah, there it is.
Well, thank God it's at least covered.
Yep.
I'd love to first.
Up there in the car one.
forgot my stove, so I have to use these rocks. Kind of rushed out of the house. Forgot not only my stove, but some aluminum foil to put on the top. But we'll try to work it the best we can. These are leftovers. We'll let that go for a little bit. That's my setup. And I have chicken, thighs, and mac and cheese. So we stopped off over here at Voorhees State Park. It's a break for lunch, supper, and we decided to come over here under this pavilion. So we're just eating now, and I'm heating up my food, and we're gonna have something to eat. I know Patty's already eaten. Kim?
I'm hungry.
We are starved. I think all that mountain air really just made us hungry. So this is working.
By the time I'm done, you'll be done.
Yeah, I mean, the flame is good, you know, so.
You'll have to wait for me.
It's pretty good.
Because the vengeance on the meat though. And it is good.
Oh, is it really?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty hot.
Getting chilly.
Yeah, sun went in.
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's good.
You feel okay?
All right, so we're gonna go on the Cross Park Trail. I think this is the
wait,
scenic.
Then this doesn't mean it's scenic view over here. Yes, it is, yeah.
Yes, this is a scenic view.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, there is. There's a creek. So from a distance, that log looks like a bear. Real fast glance. It is bear country. As you get closer, you can see it's not.
Yeah, there's something peaceful about out here.
Well, guys, we had a really nice day. We started off on a lot of different trails, and we're still on the mountain over here, but we're going to be headed back to our car, and we're going to go and explore a few other places, some other different trails. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye. This creek is trout stocked. So right on the side over here of this creek, we found this foundation. Had to be something here. You can see it. Yeah, really. That's weird. There's some seashells. There's a whole bunch of them. All over. Actually, they're all in here too.